Illegal firearms, out of which 96 were in Samburu County, have been surrendered by local communities in the ongoing Maliza Uhalifu operation. Cabinet Secretary for Interior and Coordination, Professor Kithure Kindiki, announced that 31 suspects have been arrested in the dangerous and disturbed area so far. The government has interdicted Charles Lopoda, the Assistant Chief of Mukemar Sub-Location. The administrator will be arrested and charged on Monday, with CS Kindiki warning that any government officer aiding or abetting banditry and cattle rustling will be dealt with in accordance to the law. The illegal guns were recovered within a period of 3 weeks. 48 goats, which had been stolen, have been recovered, while the police continue to search for 169 goats and 15 cows, which remain missing. Speaking at a joint security meeting in Longewan while receiving the stolen firearms, the Interior CS said the government will invest 20 billion shillings in modernization of equipment for security officers.
Kama nilivyosema, tuko hapa kupokea mifugo ambao wamerudishwa, na vile vile kuna silaha ambazo zimerudishwa. Nataka nisangaze mpaka sasa katika eneo la Rift Valley kaskazini, ambapo tumetangaza operesheni. Silaha zote ambazo zimerudishwa ni bunduki 148, na ile kaunti inaongoza katika kupeana bunduki ambazo zimekuwa mikononi mwa wananchi bila kibali ya serikali. Samburu County ndio iko number 1 kwa ile bunduki imerejeshwa.